I want to quote an ayat from Surah Nur, ayat number 22, and a background of that ayat, and I want to put it as a question mark in your mind to ponder, can there be something more serious than this in your life to break a relationship with a relative? Surah Nur, Surah number 24, ayat number 22. Note it down. Surah Nur, Surah number 24, ayat number 22. And what is the ayat? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Wala yatali ulul fadli minkum wasaati. It does not befit the one whom Allah has blessed in this life and given him in abundance, and you too, that he was giving something. He was giving to whom? To the close relative, and to the miskin, the needy, and to the one who migrated in the way of Allah. And what does Allah say? Wal ya'fu, forgive. Wal yasfahu, overlook. And what is the last portion? Allah tuhibbuna ay yaghfir Allahu lakum. Don't you want, don't you love that Allah shall forgive you also? Wallahu ghafurur rahim. Allah is most certainly the most forgiving, the most merciful.